Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Kraken to Kraken Wallet. First, ensure you have both a Kraken Exchange account and a Kraken Wallet ready. It's crucial to understand these are distinct platforms. Begin by logging into your Kraken Exchange account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Funding tab. This is your gateway to managing deposits and withdrawals. From the funding page, select the cryptocurrency you wish to move to your Kraken wallet. For example, if you're transferring Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. Then, choose the withdraw option. You'll be prompted to select a destination. Here, you'll pick your Kraken wallet. Double-check the amount you intend to transfer before proceeding to the next step. Security is paramount. Always verify the Kraken wallet address displayed matches your actual wallet address. A small error can lead to lost funds. After confirming the address and amount, you'll likely be asked to complete two-factor authentication. This extra step protects your assets. Once confirmed, you can track the transaction's progress directly within your Kraken account's history. Congratulations! Your funds should now be accessible within your Kraken wallet, typically appearing within minutes, though network congestion can sometimes cause slight delays. You can now manage your cryptocurrency directly from your wallet, enjoying its features. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.